Jaod jatenda pinye Mama Rachel Ruto oyao ayanga romo mar mine maobag kod Kenya School of Government. Karomo no sidhe ayanga chenro matwa kod joma tindo mantiere telo midendo ni First Ladies Young Women Leaders Capacity Building Fellowship Program mageto jiwo telo mar mine. Mama Ruto wacho ni apise osebedo e okang' mambele mar jiwo dongruok ma mine ka koro opuoyo mine mantie mabende tiyo matek eneno ni duond mine kod tije mag mine ok odhi nono. Jatend Kenya School of Government Professor Nura Mohammed kore to opako chenro mar jaod jatend piny maneno dongruok kendo telo mar mon kowacho ni obiro konyo neno ni mon bende osudo mbele.
The First Ladies Young Women Leaders Capacity Building Fellowship Program, one of our flagship programs that will be launched today by Her Excellency, the First Lady, will greatly empower young women, equipping them with requisite skills and competencies for them to excel in today's competitive and dynamic labor market.
As an office, we have consistently pursued women's empowerment and have witnessed results that enforce our commitment to advocating for gender equity. We are here to celebrate the seeds sown 30 years ago by women pioneers, including Maria Nzomo, Phoebe Asio, the late Professor Wangare Maathai, Honorable Nyiva Mwendwa, and Honorable Charity Ngilu, in the quest for gender equality.